Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tina in the house. Guys, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Now my peeps, we're gonna make a new recipe, alright? We're gonna mix sea moss with turmeric, alright? So we're gonna make some turmeric sea moss gel. Alright? I'm gonna use 1 pack of this sea moss. Jamaican people say Irish moss. You can use 2 pack or more, guys, but I'm just gonna use 1 for now, and then I make more at a different time. All right, so we're gonna wash this well. We're gonna wash it and strain it about 3 to 4 times. Just wash it until it's clear and no little bit of debris or pieces of dark stuff in it. All right. All right, my peeps, after washing it a few times well, we're gonna catch some water on it, and I'm gonna let this soak for about 2 hours, and then I'm gonna come back and pour some warm water on it. All right. I'm just gonna put 2 pieces of lemon slice, and I'm just gonna leave this. You can put it in the fridge or leave it on the counter. All right, about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and I'm gonna come back, pour this out, and add some hot water to it. All right, my peeps, I'm back after I let it stay for about 3-4 hours, 5 hours. It doesn't matter, just let it stay for a little bit. Now I'm gonna strain off this water, and what I did, I went ahead and I squeezed out the juice in it, you know, and all of that. So I'm just gonna throw off this water now. All right, to get it a little bit soft, I'm gonna put some hot water. All right, guys, so now we're gonna pour some hot water. Hope you can see it. Yeah, and this hot water now, guys, we're not gonna strain it, we're gonna leave it on it, so it's gonna soften it up a little bit easier to blend. All right, at this time you can put some more lemon juice in it, you can put some ginger powder, you can put whatever you want to blend it with. All right, I'm gonna blend mine with some turmeric. All right, so this is gonna be the turmeric flavor. All right, I'm gonna make just 1 jar. You can make a big jar, you can get 2 mason jar out of this one, like the 2 cups, 500 ml or 450. All right, you can even stir it up a little bit just so it's softened up a little bit. You can leave this for a minute or 2, and then I'm gonna come back. All right, my peeps, I'm back, and I have my blender here, and I'm gonna just do a little bit. Ooh, it's still warm. I'm gonna blend about half of it first. Ooh. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the liquid. That's about half the amount. Now you need some water to blend it because it's gonna be really thick. I'm gonna put about 1 cup of water, something like that. And then this is my turmeric. You can use the fresh cut one, or you can use the powder. This one is really man, it past yellow and orange. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon. All right, you can put more or less, it's up to you. I'm just gonna mix it out a little bit. There. I'm also gonna put, this is my ginger juice. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon, something like that, or a little bit more. And that's it. We're just gonna blend this away, and you're gonna blend it until it becomes smooth. All right. All right, guys, you see the goodness. All right, if you're not making a lot, just put maybe half teaspoon of turmeric. All right, super healthy. Help with cancer fighting, lower cholesterol, lower diabetes level, the blood sugar level. You know, we're gonna clean and build your immune system, guys. You understand that? Look how thick it be. Look how pretty it is as well. This is super healthy. Antioxidants, cancer fighting, lower diabetes, blood sugar level, lower blood pressure, good immunity booster, good immunity support. Just add it as is to your smoothie, whatever you're adding it to. You can take a spoon just as is. I have a little bit leave, and guys, I'm gonna start to sell this. So I'm just gonna create my website. I'm gonna sell the natural sea moss. I'm gonna make different flavor sea moss on the original, and you just put in your order and I'll make it. All right, guys, and the size wise. All right, it's gonna be chumps trading natural sea moss or blended sea moss gel, whichever flavor. All right, so this is it, guys. I love upon me and I love upon you. Yeah, so this is gonna be part of my brand. I'm just organizing everything, guys, and then you can get your sea moss from your girl. This is super healthy for you guys. Take a spoon, control blood sugar, control blood pressure, help with cancer fighting. All right, it's gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, packed with fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, your mineral, potassium. You know, it's super healthy here, guys. All right, turmeric is also good for your hair, your nails, and your skin. Super healthy. A powerhouse right here. So what you want to do, don't put it in the fridge now, guys. Just leave it out to cool and chill. This, you can use it in your smoothie. It's nice if you're making a mango pineapple smoothie. You can take a spoon by itself. You're making your green drink, you're making your whatever yellow drink, whatever you want, put it in it. I'll come back with more recipe for you guys. I won't tell you everything on here. All right, guys, and there you have it, guys. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys.